Dr. Mukul Sangma noyalam ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC ulong bagi khubor bagi MLA ka party kin ïasoh bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party ki dei ki basupenher na ki lat pathai khubor ba kim dei satia ki shisha ulong bagi dei tang ki khubor ban pelat na kabayakran ya ki mat ki be dei bat ka election na Soyong constituency na lor ki wei pat.
Compiled by friends from media. We have not met for a long time, but you continue to have the stories. I have also only learned from the stories, but I thought you people will talk to me and carry the story. It didn't happen. And I continue to see, even today I see a story. But if you go through, I was going through, you will see that, okay, it's a product of speculation, assumption, presumption. And I can't stop you from presuming and assuming and having a Jewish story. I think it will have more audience. But the fact is that please hear from the horse's mouth before a story of such nature is carried. Because these type of stories send conflicting messages, and I have reasons to believe that these stories must be also connected with the election that's on. Today is a poll day. Soyong election, the polling has been just completed. And on the run-up for this election, so I think I have made it abundantly clear last time when one of our media friends managed to connect with me on the phone. Is it an attempt to actually divert the narrative? The narrative which should be focused on very serious, important issues confronting the people of the state. Has somebody attempted and successfully utilized some from amongst our friends from media? You have to be more analytical as well. That's why I would say that the moment you have these stories coming as a part of some of these speculation, we are always available. Please get connected and get from the horse's mouth. It is natural for every political party to strategize for themselves, and we are doing the same. We also would like other MLAs to join us and march with our party. We welcome many of our friends who would decide, okay, by joining with TMC, maybe we can aggregate our strength together and work together. I think the state needs today unification and coming together of all political parties. I have tried this along with my colleagues, along with my party functionaries, including some of the leaders of different political parties, immediately after the election results were declared. What has happened on the 3rd and afterwards is there for everyone to see. But we did try to engage with all our colleagues from different political parties, the leadership of different political parties, and do justice to the overall call of duty in sync with the aspirations and mandate of the people. But what has unfolded subsequently is a different thing. You have seen members of certain political parties who was party in the discussion suddenly disappearing, then another one disappearing. So what are those indicative of? That means unhealthy, unscrupulous horse trading must have followed with the fallout that you see and reinstallation of the same regime. And it will be our incumbent responsibility to see that we find ways and means now to effectively respond to our call of duty in protecting the interests of the people in the state. We have taken resolve with utmost sense of sincerity that under any circumstances, we will not allow anybody to take the interests of the people and the state for granted. Our resolve is there to ensure that we protect the interests of the people and interests of the state. And in the coming days, you will see many things happening, many things unfolding, and we will be taking on this government. You will see many things happening. Please wait and have some amount of patience. We will not be found wanting in discharging our responsibilities. We remain committed to them.